Heyo, boss, and welcome back. Today we have a simple, short side. Try saying that 3 times fast. This is going to be oven roasted potatoes. Very quick and easy to make, and we think you're going to really enjoy these. Without further ado, let's get cooking. You're going to start off with some russet potatoes, and just wash those because we're leaving the skins on. Chef's going to cut them in half, and he's going to cut them in half again, and then maybe one more time. You want these into small to medium sized pieces. Once all the potatoes are washed and then cubed, place them in a large bowl and add some olive oil. Next up, give them a quick toss and add some more olive oil if needed. Next up, we're going to add some crushed up garlic and some Parmesan cheese. And don't forget, all the ingredients will be listed down below in the description. Go ahead to that nice jazzy music that we're playing and give these a nice toss. Okay, salt and pepper. And if you have any other seasonings you prefer or like, go ahead and put those in as well. One more toss. And then chef's going to place these in an oven-safe pan or tin pan just like this. He's going to go ahead and add some shredded Parmesan cheese on top, as well as some chopped up parsley. You're going to have your oven preheated to 400 degrees. And you want these to cook for about 35 to 40 minutes. You want them nice and soft so a fork can go right through them. When they're ready, you're just going to go ahead and take them out and check them. Look like this. They may need a little more oil, but next you're going to turn your oven to broil and then put them back in for about 5 or 10 minutes or until crispy and golden brown, which is this. So go ahead and plate these up. You can add some shredded Parmesan cheese on top and some more parsley for effect, and serve these up. They're delicious, simple, and you're probably going to have all the ingredients at home. Maybe just pick up a bag of potatoes. Very simple side. Thanks again for joining us, everyone. Really hope you try this video. It was delicious. And subscribe if you're new and like what we're doing. Check out other videos. And don't forget, everyone, cooking should be fun. Have fun doing it.